Have problems with the gearbox and back in. The tractor is a Ferguson TVO 20, 74 parts, 204 nuts and bolts. All to go back together in about 11 minutes thereabouts. The tractor must start and the lift must engage. In competition we have a referee that will check the tractor and do everything in order afterwards. Here we have the steering assembly going on. That's a very heavy implement there now. So one of the first front axles going on the front here, and the two ladies walking in the middle are tightening up the nuts and bolts around the gearbox and the back end. This event is sponsored by Irish Vintage Scene, who have a stand here just behind the build. When it started first about 4 or 5 years ago, it was taking a team about 22 to 25 minutes to assemble the tractor. As you can see here, we've done a 6 minutes and 54 seconds here on Today, for one man on the team, all on is the Lieutenant and Bishop of Move, and for safety as well. I'm not allowed to tighten anything or help in any other way other than just lift it into place, as you can see happening here on this side, where he's just lifted in the bell housing for the half shaft. As I said, Irish Vintage Scene sponsors this event. It's a magazine for all vintage and classic vehicle enthusiasts, and it's on sale here today. It covers cars, tractors, bikes and commercials. It runs a report on all rounds of the tractor build competition as well. We also have a website for the tractor build, which is ferguson20.com. Sorry, ferguson20.com. All parts of Ireland, and we've got 8 teams, and now we've got the 2 ladies teams. Challenge next year with these ladies, you know. Coming together nicely here, we've got here the city all been tightened down. Bell houses for the half shafts have been tightened in. Front axles are coming together nicely here and there and all that all in place. Anybody that thinks they can do it faster, we're more than welcome to set up a team and join the league next year. We have 2 ladies teams, we'd love 2 more. One we've had from Kevin and we've got one from Minishon and Donegal. They built here on Tuesday. Their times on Tuesday they were called double saves. They done it 10:50, 10:33 and 10:34. And the header range at the time of mark of 11:17. No power change allowed, all hand tools, no shortcuts, the tractor is 100% original. And have no modifications been made to this tractor at all. Their manager is annoying them there now, he's telling them to... The oil for the back end has just gone in. All the oil and water must be in place. First brake assembly going on this side of the tractor here. We're at a time of 4 minutes and 20 seconds, folks. This is very good. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Come on, ladies. Show them a bit of appreciation here, folks. Come on. Every bit of encouragement helps here. This is a great spectacle to get a chance to see this. This is the first time we've had it in public 4 ladies doing it. The next build will be a 1 o'clock by the Southwest Hammond 20 mil team. They done it in the time of 7 minutes 20 this morning. I think these guys can do another 6 minutes. So they hope to do 6 minutes sometime today. In the main competition, the referee will check if there's anything loose. It's a 5-second penalty, and anything missing is a 10-second penalty. And that'll be checked by a referee. This isn't a competition, as I said, it's only a demonstration, so there's no check on this one today. Come on, Oli. Come on, let's get it going. Come on, let's get it going. These ladies only got together in the last 2 or 3 months, and they've gone a long way in that time. They really got into it, and by this time next year, I'm sure they'll be getting very impressive times. They'd meet up 2 or 3 nights a week, and they'd build it 2 or 3 times each night in practice. The more serious teams in the league could be building it up to 5 times a night over 4 or 5 nights a week. People tell me some of them are building 20 times a week to practice. We've got the first mud guard going on. Come on, ladies, well done, 6 minutes and 10. Here we have the battery going in. As I said, it must start, so it has to be all connected back up again. The fuel has to be turned on. We still have the radiator and water. Come on, ladies. Come on, show me your appreciation here. You're not having a good time. 6 minutes 47. Very good time here. Second mud guard going on. Both mud guards on. Lift arms going on the back for anyone that can't see. The PTO shaft is in and it's all tightened up. The air breather is just complete there now. Radiator going on. Just lifting in the wheel in place, and once they get a nut on it, he'll let them off again. That's it. First front wheel going on, ladies. You're doing very well. 8 minutes and 2. Come on, that's it. It's going to be a good time. The next round of this championship is on the 9th of October in the IVTA. It's the IVTA indoor event in Cavan, in the Equestrian Centre in Cavan. And that'll be the final of the A-League, where teams from Galway, Donegal, Cork and Tyrone are competing. And that'll be the all-Ireland final of the A-League that day. And the team ladies are going to do a few demonstrations that day as well, and maybe the Donegal team. So we'll have an well, we've got wheels on, almost on, 3 on, water is in, exhaust is on, seat is on, you have to have your seat. So we're just very close here. 9:01, ladies, you're in there. Okay, we got the other wheel on here. Come on. That's it, the front wheel just in, bonnet on as well, making sure everything's nice and tight. The tempers must come out, the bottom must come out, the jack must come out, the lift, the back must come out, it must all come out. 9:45. Come on, ladies, you're very close, very fast time. One more there, tighten up the last 1 or 2 there. is out. It's ready to go down on all fours. We're very close. They're just waiting to put that back, okay? One up and started.